Good morning, children. Today we have the class for our English textbook, Norton Grammar. So we are going to learn our first chapter in English textbook. Okay. So before starts our lessons, I would just want to ask you that do you like to hear a story? Okay, all has just like to hear the story, and today I am going to serve a story about care and love about our mother. हमारा माम हमको कैसे लविंग करती है, केयर करती है एंड वो हमको इतना प्यार करती है, वो इसके सबसे जैसे एक स्टोरी हम आज बताएंगे. ठीक है. सो नियर योर हाउस दिस यू हैव एनी ट्री. आपके घर के सामने कोई पेड़ और ट्री एक है. ओके. सबके घर पे है कि आसपास में थोड़ा ट्री और बड़ा ट्री और पेड़ कुछ है. So did you see at any time a squirrel going here and there and coming here and there and disturbing and eating something? Did you see? आप देख सकता है कि squirrel going here and there? Yeah. We all have seen the squirrel was sitting and running, jumping, coming down and going again. So we have seen the squirrel many times. Okay. So here I am introducing you a boy whose name was Ravi. Okay. So in the story में एक boy है, उनका नाम क्या था? Ravi. Okay. Ravi was a boy and one day Ravi was walking near his garden. Okay. His house there was a garden and near the garden, in the garden there is a big tree. Okay. रवि के घर के सामने एक गार्डन है. ठीक है. और गार्डन में एक बड़ा वाला पेड़ थी. सो रवि ऐसे वॉकिंग, इवनिंग वॉकिंग, चलने के लिए थोड़ा ऐसे घूमते घूमते रहते हैं ना. सो ही सो a squirrel and her baby. A squirrel and her baby. So कितना squirrel है इधर? How many squirrels are there? Two. A mother squirrel and the baby squirrel. A mother squirrel and the baby squirrel. They were sitting on the branch of a mango tree. So which tree was that? Ravi was walking near the garden. So एक बड़ा वाला पेड़ थे उधर. So कौन से वाला पेड़ था उधर? मैंगो, आम की पेड़ था. ओके. मैंगो ट्री थी. So who was sitting on the branch? Who was sitting on the branch? पेड़ के ऊपर ऐसे ब्रांच होते हैं ना, देखो ये तो ऐसे ब्रांच होते हैं ना पेड़ में, देखो. So they were sitting in the branch, sitting a baby squirrel and the mother squirrel, and they were eating the mango. They were eating a mango. They were holding a ripe mango. Ripe mango means it was well filtered, means it's very tasty to eat. कच्चा मैंगो नहीं है, कच्चा आम नहीं है, कच्चा आम नहीं है. So it is a ripe mango, very yellow with yellow color. Okay. So in green color somewhat we know doesn't like to eat, means इस थोड़ा कच्चा और थोड़ा सोर हो जाएगा. तो येलो कलर तुम्हें क्या है, थोड़ा टेस्टी और स्वीट हो जाए ना, तो इस बोलती है राइप मैंगो. ओके. सो the baby and the mother squirrel was holding means catching. Okay. वो पकड़ के पेड़ के ऊपर, ब्रांच के ऊपर बैठ के मैंगो पकड़ के वो दोनों अच्छा से खाती थी. ठीक है. तो they were eating together. The mother squirrel and the baby squirrel was eating together a ripe mango. So Ravi has seen this. किसने देखा? Ravi. So what did Ravi did? He was a very bad boy. He was a very bad boy. Some of you are like seeing some squirrels or some pet animals. What we will do? Some will go and will love and care them, but some others कुछ ना कुछ बच्चों क्या करेगा, उनको प्यार करेंगे, बट दूसरा कुछ क्या करेगा, उनके पत्ता लेके तोड़ देंगे. Okay, so the Ravi was bad boy. What did he did here? He took one stone and threw it on the squirrels. Threw it at the squirrels. वो squirrels के ऊपर धक्कर दे दिया. Okay. So the mother squirrel was frightened. उनको डर लगता है, ठीक है? So they were frightened. So what she do? She let go the mango. They were catching the mango, है ना? So Ravi was thrown the stone. So mother squirrel, she kept the mango down. So from the tree, the mango was fallen down the ground. Okay. So why did she keep like that? Because she frightened. उनको वो डरती है, ठीक है? So she kept the mango in the ground. The mango fell to the ground. The mango fell to the ground. Okay. So the baby squirrel was still holding the mango. So what was happened? The baby squirrel na, he was still holding. वो पकड़ते हैं mango was he is holding too strong. So with the mango, the baby squirrel also fall down. Mango नीचे गिर गया ना, so mango के साथ baby squirrel also has come down. क्यों? Why? Because baby squirrel was holding the mango, so that he also fall down in the ground. So the little squirrel tried to run away. When the little squirrel, baby squirrel has come down, वो नीचे गिर गया, तो वो try करती है जल्दी जल्दी जाने के लिए, but Ravi took him. Ravi caught him and ran home. रवि ने क्या किया, वो बेबी स्क्विरल को पकड़ के घर पे जल्दी चल गई. ओके. सो द बेबी वाज took means caught, पकड़ गया, ठीक है? He took the baby squirrel and ran to home, running. Okay. He heard the mother squirrel crying behind him. So the mother squirrel was very much worried about his son. If your mother and you were going somewhere and there were very crush of people, means ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं, ठीक है? वो मार्केट और बाजार कहाँ पे हो, तो from your mom you are catching your hands of your mom. So with so many people going here and there touching your son, you just leave your mommy's hand. So what your mommy will feel? She will be getting fear. Why? My child has missed somewhere. So she will start to cry and she will search here and there. She will run where he gone. At last, mommy will find out us, isn't it? So like this, this mother squirrel she was crying behind him. ठीक है? He was crying behind him. Ravi was gone. Ravi घर पे गए ना, so Ravi के पीछे कौन भी गए थे? Mother squirrel also had gone. So this story for today only this much I am just trying to say. So tomorrow we will be having the rest of the stories and we will be having the beautiful story for after this. And please try to understand the story and I will just follow the PDF to you, read this and just find out the hard words. Okay children, bye for today.